Tip number 3, understanding the difference between a proactive marketing campaign versus a reactive marketing campaign is critical. There are so many campaigns out there where agents are waiting for a buyer call to go show your home. And that can work. You put on the MLS, you put a sign in the front lawn, and they're waiting. To further enhance the amount of buyers that are going to see the property and find that one buyer who will pay more, if you implement a proactive campaign where you're reaching out into the marketplace and pulling buyers in, whether you're doing it digitally, physically, or getting on the phone and calling your network, your sphere of influence, the people who will pay the most amount of money, identifying the right target buyers is critical. So being proactive in the marketing campaign is going to make all the difference of who's going to see your home and ultimately how much you're going to pay. For the other 4 parts of this series, just check out my page. And if you're curious how to maximize the sales price on your property, you can also go to edsellmyhomefast.com. That's edsellmyhomefast.com.